to see some gifts that I got from my ate. She's from Texas. So thank you, ate, for getting me all these gifts. Now, where does that? Oh, these things I didn't ask for, but thank you for the things. Okay, I'll take them please. This one is a witch and a cat. They both came together. And this is a pumpkin. I don't know what it is, so it looks like a pumpkin to me. Oh yeah, these are actually pencils. Okay, and these are some books. The person that write this book and these books is Ben Clanson, and they're called Narwhal and Jelly. So this is the set. 3 books plus a poster. I'll see what's the poster. There is a poster. Narwhal and Jelly. This one is named Peanut Butter and Jelly. I'm not sure why. And this one is Super Narwhal and Jelly Jones. This is the first book, Narwhal, Unicorn of the Sea. And this is a book 2. This is one. Ben Clanson wrote all these books. I really do like them. So thank you for these things at there. Now, last but not least is this, the Ghostbusters pipe meter. I don't know what's a pipe meter. So let's see. Which button do I press? Okay, I'll press the button. There. No ghost here. This is a ghost tracking device used by the Ghostbusters. I was curious about it, so I asked my ate to buy it for me. I'm sure you have seen it. No ghost here. Thank you for these gifts. I asked these gifts because I really wanted some things. Plus it was Black Friday in America. So, I asked for these gifts. Thank you for the extra gifts. Please send more gifts. Lots of love. I think I like this the most.